So let's say we want to add link to our site. Link where we say we fit click and when we click the link, we go make the link, make it go somewhere. We go say, all right, to add link, we go say less than, you go write A for anchor tag. I go also give you a list like of all these elements and tags so that you will understand where they go and where if you read up about them. If you don't understand what I talk or you want to learn more or you don't forget what I talk, everybody they do them. If you also go that place, if you read them just to refresh your mind and then come back to what they do. So you go create your anchor tag and then you go hold shift and then you go do greater than. You remember say you go help us auto close them. Then here you go come put the link where you want to go. So let's say we want to go make we go google.com. So we go type Google, right? As you don't type Google, we press save. Inside this Google now, you go see say it still be like text because now link, but they work. Why they work? Well, now because we never give them the attributes where you need. So if you look here, you go see say this thing when we put the mouse on this A, go tell us say if the element has a href attribute. Attributes now character. I don't explain this before in one of the other videos. Say attribute is a character of our anchor or A tag. So if we say we want to give attributes to this A, we'll can say the attribute of href. For example, we'll can say href. You see say our autocomplete already they ask us say, shall we mean if we just put H, it will give us the remaining one. If we put A, it will give us the remaining one. So you get many options if you play around with them if you get the time. But now we just need to do href. So we go say href, and then we could press enter to just remove that autocomplete. If we don't put them, we can say inside this quotes where we need this double quotes. Now here we go come put the link to the Google where we want to go. So make we just say we want to go google.com. So we go say google.com. So you see say we don't put the google.com now. If we don't press save now and we come inside here, you go see say this is our google.com. If we click on, it no go work. Why? Make we try. If we click on, it go tell us say it get this error. So cannot get google/google.com. Why? Because this our URL here is never complete. So we go need put that a sort of like protocol. Just like any website for this world, you go need to put HTTP or HTTPS. You dey see for this Stack Overflow, you go see the HTTP where I don't put for here. For even this MDM website, if I press like this, you go see say HTTPS, and also any other website. If you see sites where no be HTTPS, where no get the S, now that time this padlock where they here, you no go dey secure, you no go even show. Or now those times where we say when you go some sites, they go tell you say this site no dey secure and all those things. So if you look this our own site self, you go see say you no even dey secure, you no get that padlock. You can see that here, say this is just your connection, and because it dey our local machine, that's why it dey work even safe and they disturb our life. But for the internet, it go need to get all this HTTPS. Even though you HTTP go dey work, to dey secure and safe, and people know they trust them. So you need to type in the protocol for this link where they enter. So if we say we want to go HTTPS or TTP, then you go put colon, you come put double slash. Now you go go google.com. You even put www.google.com for here. So remember, this now the protocol. They're very important. It will help you in the future whenever you work with links. Then you go press save. When we press save, now if we put the mouse for this Google, you go see say the Google don't they show www.google.com. So make we click on it, go open google.com. But what if we go click on and we not going to want to leave our website, because right now our website don't disappear, it don't dey back. So we go need to go back for the browser, make the browser understand what we do. So if we come back for here, you can say okay, as it they show Google, we go make it go Google, but make it keep this our website open. Then here, so we go need add another attribute. That attribute now target. So we go give them target. We go say we want target. When we press enter, we go say we want underscore blank. So we go say blank. Yeah. Now this target blank, we go press save. If we can't click this google.com now, it go leave our website for this side, then it go open a new tab. Like say we press this new like this new tab where they here. It go be like say we don't press them, but now just be from clicking this thing. You know, it takes you to an external link. You go click them, you go open another tab, google.com, and see our tabs still they show. So it is very helpful, these things, if you they know what's in they happen for the sites, or if you they check other people website, and then you go to understand, oh, this is not how the site they work, and now so and so and now so and so. And mind you, anything if you live inside this anchor tag. So for example, if you put image, and I will show you how to do image, and then eventually for the next video we go come create image. When we create image, we will come even put link to the image, just like that, from only just writing a few lines of code. So I go see you now for the next one.